Yes, hello. Today I wanted to show you a very dirty mini fridge. This is a mini fridge in our shared college hostel. From the outside, it looks a very nice mini fridge. Actually, it's a very nice one, Panasonic, as you can see. Let me try to. Very nice, very good design. Yeah, I like the design, it's very nice. But then let's look inside and see. Wow, you see inside, very dirty. You can see this, lot of dirt, poor organization inside. So it's really dirty, and I seriously can't store my food here. I think I'll have to buy my own mini fridge. You see, sometimes the problem with sharing things is that no one cares. Most of the things here have been here, I think, like for months without being removed. And actually the fridge smells bad. You can see everything here. So all these things belong to different persons, not one. How about down here, the freezer? Wow. You see? Very dirty indeed. So I think the best option is always to have your own mini fridge. If it's allowed, you should be able to buy your own. So if you check in the description below, you find our recommended best mini fridges. So if, for example, you are in a dorm room, there are some mini fridge which are suitable for the dorm room, which are suitable for the office, so that you can use it by yourself and you don't have to share. You know, there are a lot of bacteria that you can get from such shared mini fridge. So it's always best that you buy your own. You can see the description below for our most recommended mini fridge for the dorm room. Thank you for watching, and bye.